Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Dodge Charger SXT, stock number B8639B. 53,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Ivory tri-coat pearl in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. The Charger's in the large car class, seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. A very large trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SXT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated front seats, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. Hard keys below for the things used most often. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's material. Auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Charger has a 3.6-liter V6, 292 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Nice balanced power and fuel economy, along with those 292 horses, EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway, and approximately 70% of tire tread left. For more information on this Charger, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.